Hey everybody, I got a thermal barcode printer here for like shipping labels and things like that. Let's go ahead and check this out. What's cool about this is you don't have to have ink and things like that. As long as you have the thermal paper, you're good to go. And so, let's see, how do we open the box even? Okay, the box is opening here. And here is something. I guess these are the little shipping packaging things. We have a USB-C to USB adapter. We have some other stuff here. We'll check it all out here. We have the plug to plug it in. We have the power converter. And we have the printer right here and a printer cable. This is the old school printer cable, like those ones there that connect up to USB. Okay, so let's open this up. I guess maybe those are the labels. I don't know. We'll figure it out here in a second. Peel off all these stickers. How does it work here? We have some tape. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to figure it all out. Oh, there we go. Sure, whatever this is has to come out. Oh, here's sample labels. So that's what we can print. Okay, and so this is what the printer looks like here. I'm guessing these are the labels. I guess here, that's what these are. So it's a little starter pack of them. Oh, it's the whole feed them through kind of thing. These are big labels. Those other ones were small. Okay. And then we have a user guide and our information in here. Let's see what we got. This is going to be a Bluetooth key. So this is, I guess, going to give us Bluetooth to our device. And we have a driver for Z1 Plus. And this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set this all up by the instructions, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I've got it set up. I had to install a driver on that little flash thingy, the little, this. I have a Mac, so once I went into this, it had a little DMG file. I had to run that. It installed whatever it needed to install and recognized the printer and did whatever it needed to do, so I didn't really have to do anything. And then it just came up and here it is. So it says load the paper loads in there. You just basically put it in to wherever it is in there and close it up, and then the paper's there. And it's calibrating itself, I guess, and putting itself in the right place so it won't waste a label. And then I just basically go, and it came with a sample one, so I'm just gonna print the sample label because I don't have any label to print. Okay, so now to print, we just go ahead and open our PDF that we want to print, and then go to File, Print. And if I hit print, it should hopefully print, and there it goes. It printed whatever it was that it needed to print from that thing. So it printed, and that's it. Pretty straightforward and easy to do. And then you go, slap it on your package or whatever, and you're good to go. So super easy to configure. I mean, it just did it itself. And you see this printer is just super simple, and you just have to probably buy more of these labels or other labels. Like it came with some other ones. I don't even know where I put them now. Oh, here, these ones here, the small ones. So you can probably get different size labels, whatever you need, and you're good to go. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.